It's after Black Friday and my eyes are absolutely sore from looking at all of the deals. And this is why we have this. I naturally did what every normal person would do, and I used technology to solve my problems. Hey everybody, welcome to Tidetopia Reviews, and this is my first full-length video for my YouTube channel. Today we are going over the Renpho Eyeris 1 eye massager. We are going to unbox, go over the features, and finally we are going to decide if this product is worth our money. Let's check it out. Manual, USB-C cable, pretty long. And here is the eye massager itself. Okay, anything else in there? Nothing else. There's some food. Throw it to the side, and I'll put the box over here. Okay, so here is the device itself. Let me read the instructions, see if we're supposed to do anything special before we turn this thing on. Okay, so it looks like there are 5 different modes. Air pressure, heat, and music. Air pressure, heat, continuous vibration in music. Air pressure in music, heat only, intermittent vibration plus music. And then it looks like there's different volume levels, 0 through 5, which is maximum volume. Long press to enter the next track, including 2 built-in music tracks and Bluetooth music. So there is Bluetooth for this, so you can connect your phone, listen to music there. Short press this button here to cycle through the pressure. Soft, strong, no pressure. And there's voice in silent mode. Bluetooth will automatically turn on when you turn the device on. Okay, so we basically know how to use it. I think I want to do the air pressure, heat, and continuous vibration, and music. That sounds pretty nice. But first, let's take off the plastic. Okay, this thing looks pretty cool. I like it, got the white version, really basic. Then here, it looks like we can lift this up. I'm not sure what's underneath. I don't know if I'm supposed to get into that. I see wires and stuff, so I'm not really gonna go there. Let's check out the tightness. There's power. Yeah, let's get it on. All right. Long press to turn. It said, please close your eyes, relax and enjoy. Air pressure plus heat. I hear some Minecraft type beat music playing. Where's this even go? Oh, in my head. Ugh. Can't really find a comfy spot right now. There we go, that's fine. Oh, it's heating up. Let me chill with the default settings for a little bit and see what this is like. This music is very soothing. I hear birds. It's still getting warmer. I feel it massaging, but when it massages, it kind of presses this off my head, so I might have to tighten the device. Give it a good tighten. It's bothering my ears right now. Okay. All right. Do I look like I'm ready to go skiing? Okay, just change settings, strong pressure. I turned it off, oops. Okay, it's back on. Air pressure, plus heat, plus vibration, I just enabled it. All right, you know, I'm not gonna look for volume right now. Or I'll just take it off, how about that? Oh! Maximum volume. That's what we like, all right. Now we're getting the full experience here. Oh, I pressed the button by accident. Soft. Strong pressure. Okay. Now I can relax. It needs to be tighter. Like I said before, it's just like... Alright, I'll tighten it a lot. Okay. Okay, we're here. We are here. That's good pressure. Still pushing off my face. I find that really weird, I guess. With elastic band, that's what you expect. It feels good when it hits my eyes though. Vibration is not super strong. It could be better, I feel like. Oh, it does one thing. That whatever it just did right now, I liked it. It felt good and it's getting warm. I like when it presses on my eyes. It gives pressure on my eyes. Now it's hitting my temples and vibrating. Okay, the pressure on my eyes feels really nice. I like that. And the heat. Ah, it's making me see color, but it's in a good way. I like that. Feels good. It's enough pressure. It's just enough pressure to make me see a little bit. It's not enough pressure on the temples. It could be more. The music is weird. I think it's just looping some really short track. Oh, there's air pressure too. That's the things, the flaps with the air pressure. Like little airbags. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can switch the music track. Oh, Oh, I can see. Oh. Okay, let me switch the music track. Okay. Okay, I hear it. Spirited Away type vibes. Ugh, it's so tight, but it's not tight enough at the same time. All right, here we go. The music doesn't sound that good, but it's. Where's the speakers? If I go like this, I hear the music in my soul. It's not good quality, but I hear it in my brain. I like this song more, I think. They're short. They're really short songs. All right, let me explore some more settings. How about that? So here's air pressure only mode. Yeah, it's okay, whatever. But if I go from the back, the power button's there. So if I want to find the power button, I go from the back side. Boom. Okay. Heat only, vibration only. I mean, I don't know who's going to use that. Air pressure and heat. Air pressure, heat, and vibration. That's where it's at. And then, so if I go from the back, the top should be strength. Okay, air pressure, heat, and vibration. These controls are terrible. These buttons could be way better. I have no idea what I'm pressing. They should have them like one here, like power right in the middle, or power in the middle, sound, and then vibration over here. They're too close together. If you guys can see, they're too close together. I can't tell what I'm pressing. I just press everything. All right. It feels good though. It feels good. I mean, you don't really get eye massages. The warmth feels really nice, and when it rolls over your eyes, I like how that feels too. Yeah, I could definitely. I just want to right now. I just want to sit here and sit back with this thing and feel it. Let's take it off. Okay. All right. So that felt really good. I enjoyed that. It's super bright in here now. The heat was nice on my eyes, and the massaging felt really good. I think I will be using this in the future. I think that it felt nice enough that I don't have to return this. The controls are really weird. You can also travel with this. So I guess if you want to take it on a plane, you could do that. That'd be kind of cool. Take it on a plane, have your eyes massaged. Can fold up to fit somewhere. It's not super portable, but it could fit in something. It could fit. This could fit in something. Okay, so what are the cons of this thing? The cons are this strap. It can get pretty tight, but the pressure is not enough for me, I would say. I think I could use a little bit more pressure, especially on sort of my temples here. It felt good when it was pressuring in, but it wasn't quite enough for me. I would like a little bit more. Also on the eyes, I could use a little bit more pressure on my eyes. So is this worth our money? I think that if you have a lot of stress on your eyes every day, like I do, and you want some way to relax and relieve some pressure and some stress on your eyes, the heat and the massage feels really good. The price was, I think it was around $40 to $50, which is a bit steep for an eye massager. Renpho, I like this company. I have their scale, like a smart scale. I like that smart scale a lot. I think they're a pretty good company from what I've seen. They have good reviews. This thing has 4.4 or 4.5 stars. I would give this thing, I'd probably give it 4 stars. And I'm taking away some stars because the controls are really bad. And if you want to switch settings when this is on your head, you're going to have to take it off, look at the controls, and then press them, then put it back on your head and get situated. Also, I didn't mention this before, another con was that this strap is just rubbing on my ears. I have to kind of put it on my head and then put this up a little bit, put the strap up a bit. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it would be better if it fit better on my head. Maybe it's just a me problem, who knows? Yeah, so 4 stars. I would buy this if I had a lot of pressure in my eyes. The speakers, I don't expect the speakers to be anything good. You're not buying this for a speaker. It has speakers on there, it has some two chill tracks. They're cool. They're really short, but they're cool. It sounds nice. I'll probably just use that if I ever use this thing, or I'll just throw my AirPods. That's good enough. You're not going to use this for music. This is not a music device. So no points off for that. I did see online that there is another version of this device with a remote, but I don't think that a remote is a solution for bad controls. I think if these controls were placed better, it would make this thing 4.5 stars. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. In the future, I plan to do a lot more videos, and your like and subscription will really help me out. I really want to grow my channel and see where we can take this. Ever since I was a kid, I loved reviewing products. I love watching people like MKBHD. He was really motivating to me. So now I'm in a financial position where I can buy products and review them and let you guys know what's good. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.